Just started taking SonoVive or thinking about it, but not exactly sure how to use it for the best results? You're in the right place. In this video, I'm gonna share 5 simple tips to help you get the most out of your SonoVive journey so you can support your hearing, calm your mind, and sleep better with confidence. Number 1, take it daily, no excuses. This isn't a supplement you take once in a while. For SonoVive to work, you need to build consistency. Take 1 capsule a day, ideally in the morning after breakfast. That helps your body absorb it better and activates the brain-ear connection throughout the day. Set a reminder on your phone, seriously, it makes a difference. Number 2, don't expect instant results. One thing to remember, SonoVive is not a painkiller, it's a support system. Some people notice changes within a week, especially with sleep or pressure in the ears, but for most, the real benefits kick in around week 2 to week 4. So be patient and don't stop too soon. Number 3, pair it with a wind-down routine. If you're using SonoVive to deal with ringing at night, stress, or trouble falling asleep, this tip is huge. Build a 15-minute routine to wind down. Turn off screens, do some light stretching, play calming music. Take SonoVive with herbal tea, optional. This combo makes your results even better. Number 4, avoid junk food and too much salt. Believe it or not, your diet affects your hearing and brain health. If you're constantly eating high sodium or processed foods, you might be working against the benefits of SonoVive. Try cutting back on salty snacks and boosting foods rich in omega-3s, antioxidants, and magnesium. It helps amplify the supplement's effect. Number 5, track your symptoms and progress. Keep a quick log or journal. Note things like, is the ringing still there? How's your sleep? Are you less sensitive to loud sounds? Writing it down weekly helps you see small improvements you might otherwise miss. It also keeps you motivated to stay consistent. So there you have it, 5 easy ways to get the most out of SonoVive. If you're already using it and noticing changes, let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your experience. And if you haven't tried it yet, I dropped the official link in the description and pinned comment. They usually offer some nice bundles and discounts, so check it out. Like the video, subscribe for more, and take care of your ears and your mind.